Hello there, this is Smart Penguins. In this video, we will be setting up Andriod Studio and preparing it to export our Buildbox game to Android. We'll go to developerandroid.com/studio. The current version of Andriod Studio is 3.6. Let's click on Download Andriod Studio. We finished downloading Andriod Studio installer. Let's open it up. Next. Install Andriod Studio. Installation is complete. Click Next. Finish and start Andriod Studio. Do not import settings. We get the Andriod Studio setup wizard. Click Next. And we'll just use the standard configuration. Select a dark theme. Here we get a list of all the tools and SDKs that will be installed. Click Finish. And now the download and installation of all the tools and SDKs will start. The installation of SDKs and tools are finished. Click Finish. Now we get our Welcome to Andriod Studio screen, version 3.6. Now we want to go to Configure and select SDK Manager. And we can see that the default SDK API that was installed was 29. Currently, Buildbox 3.1.4 uses SDK for Android 9, API level 28. To avoid errors when importing Buildbox game into Andriod Studio, we'll install the Android 9 SDK. Select it, apply, click OK. Let's accept license agreement. Click Finish, OK. Now it's time to test our Andriod Studio by importing a Buildbox game. Let's go to Buildbox. To test, we're going to use the game that we created for Valentine's Day. Let's go to File, Export, Android, select the folder that we want to export it to. To not get any errors from Andriod Studio, remove any spaces in your file name and click Save. Now let's go back to our Andriod Studio and click Import Project. Go to our project location, open our folder, select an Android folder and click OK. And our project should start importing. When we start importing, we get an error. Let's try again. Go to File, Sync Project with Gradle files. It imported successfully. Now we can go to Build and build a bundle or APK, and we'll build an APK. Our APK built successfully, and we can see that we get the Build APK notification, and we can click on Locate to go to the location of the APK file that was created. Here we have app-debug.apk. That's the APK that was created. Now you can add this to your Android phone and test it. Once you test it and you're ready to publish, you can go to Build, go under Generate Signed Bundle APK. You have two options to create Android App Bundle or APK. We're not going to go through this process in this video. We've made a video on how to publish your app, and there's a link in the description below if you want to see that. Thanks for joining us. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button, subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.